Paxful, a rapidly expanding peer-to-peer platform, facilitates the purchase and exchange of popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. As the platform's user community continues to surge, the topic of conversation among newcomers increasingly revolves around the platform's verification procedures, including phone number verification. Using a personal phone number for online platforms can pose risks, from marketing spam to security concerns, especially on financial platforms like Paxful. Some users lack access to a mobile number, while others are cautious about sharing their primary number across platforms. In this video, we will show you the steps to use MobileSMS.io temporary phone numbers for Paxful. We will also use X-Browser by Smart Proxy VPN for added security. Let us go to Paxful.com and click Register by Phone Number. We will go to MobileSMS.io to rent a long-term number for United States, and we will choose Paxful as the service. Our 30-day long-term number can be extended for as long as you need it. Once you have entered your MobileSMS.io long-term number on Paxful will send a verification code to your number. Let us go back to our MobileSMS.io dashboard and retrieve our verification code. Congratulations! You have created your Paxful account and you can start trading right away. You can start with a minimum deposit of $5, and we provide excellent customer support and a 7-day money-back guarantee. Register for a free account, make your first deposit, and safeguard your online identity today. For added security, you can activate two-factor authentication by clicking your profile and going to Security. Click on Activate Now on Authenticator, which you can download from the App Store. Embracing privacy while navigating the world of cryptocurrencies is wise. By following the above steps, users can enjoy Paxful's offerings without compromising their personal phone numbers, ensuring both their privacy and security.